Afternoon, everyone. Good day. am Lucky from Data Point Forest Academy. Once again, I'm with you this afternoon to do some analysis on Nasdaq. We all know Nasdaq for some months now or weeks it has been buying. So let's all go together to check Nasdaq analysis. But before we can go ahead, do like to click the likes, share, and always follow us on our daily technical analysis. Nasdaq, I think I will use the okay. Now this is the Nasdaq page. So let's carry out our analysis by starting from weekly. On our weekly, we can see that Nasdaq is more of a buy or true. Then let's move to daily. Daily, we have a retracement somewhere around 28,639. So I will start my top-down analysis from that level. If you can check months back, I actually have this a trend breakout, which was a very good entry for a buy. But now it's more of a sell, sorry, buy. And before us, we can look for a sell or any retracement. We have to mark out the last retracement volume, which is somewhere 28,629. Now let's go to our 4-hour time frame. So you can see on our 4-hour time frame, we have a retracement below. So we will be looking for another retracement to 28,629 for us to have a buy, or possibly if there's any breakout, what we'll be looking at is going to be like this. Since there's a double top here, they will expect a, a, a comeback before we can go for a buy. Or if not, we will be able to look for a breakout below the trend line or the zone. Then we have a retracement, then we can go for a sell. Or that sell, we will be selling down to the next last entry to 24,729. So, but for my entry, we'll be looking at 1 hour to see what possible entry level that will give us. So I think we're okay on this. So let's see how. Okay. So I think for 1 hour we have a very good breakout, which has already shown. So we'll be waiting for a retracement back. Any other retracement on this level, then we can go for a possible buy more or we go for a sell. But for now, Nasdaq is not really giving us anywhere any good entry opportunity. So okay, I think with this we can actually trade on this level if we want to, but it might be on more of a scalping because any attempt for this market to drop down to a sell, we will be at a loss. So I think for now, this is what we are seeing on the Nasdaq. But for me, in general overlook of this, let's see if there's any way we can have a retracement back. Anytime we have a retracement back, then we can go for a buy. And that is what we have for today on Nasdaq. Please do follow us on our links on our social media, Data Point Forex Trading on TikTok, Data Point Forex Academy on Facebook, and all other social media. Just click on Data Point Trading Academy, you will have us, and you also follow us on our Telegram. Thank you so much.